So if you are selling a vehicle, but you are going to remain here, you're just going to be out of town and you have to have that vehicle sold because you've got a buyer, you can execute a power of attorney by going onto our self-service website. You can generate it there, put in all of your information, put in the vehicle information, print it off and bring it to our office here in PW 47. We'll sign and notarize that and give the power of attorney to your agent, and they'll use that when they go to VRO to sign the vehicle over. If your car is in the United States, and let's say you left it in storage or you left it with a friend and you want to sell it, you're not going to be there in person, the same process applies. You can do everything online with our self-service website, generate your power of attorney, bring it into the office here in PW 47, we'll notarize it for you, and then you'll just need to mail the original copy to your agent back in the States. So this is the most tricky one that we deal with, and lots of people aren't aware that there are actually two different documents that you'll need before you go to VRO. So the first document is a request for a special power of attorney. This is a CFAS specific document that you'd need. The front page is going to have your information and the information of the agent that you're nominating to sell your vehicle on your behalf. And then on the back page, there's different sections where your command, the security officer, and the base staff judge advocate will sign off just so they're aware of who is accepting responsibility for your car after you leave. You finish this document, and then if you come to our office here, we will generate a special power of attorney for you. This one is not on the website, so you do need to come in for this. We'll generate the power of attorney and have information for both you to sign, and your agent will also sign what's called an acknowledgement statement. So then after that's complete, everything's notarized, your agent doesn't have to have you present anymore, they can act on their own. So they'll take both of these documents with them to VRO and then sell the car as if they were you.